Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Smart Investor. In this video I will show you guys how I would invest $500 in the cryptocurrency market today. I know $500 is a small number for a lot of you guys, but for new investors who are trying to get into the market and for people who just want to get their feet wet and check out the market, investing just $500 is actually a good way to get into the cryptocurrency market. Sometimes investing a small amount of money like $200 to $500 is the best way to get in. And I'm going to stress this, guys, whenever you are investing, don't invest your rent money, don't invest your bill money, only invest your liquid income that you set apart just for investment. Set apart 10% of your income for investment. It usually is best to have automatic investment into an account, so that way you know that you have a certain amount that is set aside just for investment, and that money is not money that you're going to need to survive for the month, guys. Today, Bitcoin is trading for $6,147. Guys, this market is a long way from where it was at the end of 2017 to where we are now. Bitcoin has lost more than over 50% of its value. But if you believe in this technology, like myself, I am very bullish. I do think that things will turn around eventually. I think we are very close to the bottom. Guys, I think we could go a little bit lower than this before the market started to pick back up. And as we know, guys, a lot of institutional investors are secretly investing in cryptocurrencies, and you don't want to wait until it's too late to get involved. And right now, I think it's actually a good time to get in while the market is down, because you don't want to buy when everything is high. So right now is actually one of the best times to get into the market, guys. But please, guys, do your homework. Look into the cryptocurrency that you would like to invest in. And look to see if it's actually a great project that you want to spend your money on. Right now in this current market, I would not advise to invest in any ICOs at this moment. I would stick to the top. Although you can make a lot of money, guys, but it's also very risky. Right now, I would advise you to stick to what you know. So with $500, guys, I'm gonna actually pick 4 cryptocurrencies. I think these cryptocurrencies could go up from 50% to 100% by early next year, guys. But remember, I am not advising anybody to purchase any cryptocurrencies. This is just my opinion. I'm just letting you know what I believe, what I think have a lot of potential value. You could 50x to 100x your money, guys. We're talking about just $500 investing in the cryptocurrency market. It is not a lot of money, but for some people, it is a lot. It's actually a great number to get started, guys. This is for some of you guys who want to hodl for a few months. If you want to hodl for the next 6 to 9 months, this is a great idea to get into some of these coins, guys. I will give you guys 4 cryptocurrencies that you can invest your money in with $500. The first one I will give you guys is Ripple XRP. Ripple is currently trading at 29 cents. That's the lowest for Ripple this year, guys. Today, August 11, we have some of the best price ever. In January, Ripple peaked at $3.65. So this is a long way down from the peak. So out of my $500, I'm gonna take $200 to invest into XRP. So with XRP trading at 29 cents right now, okay, let's see how many coins I would get. $200 divided by 29 cents. So I will get 689 coins. So guys, let's say that XRP goes back to the $3 range that it was in January. So is that 689? So 689 coins times $3. So your $200 investment will become $2,067. So on that $200, you can potentially make $1,300, guys. So I have $300 left. I'm gonna take $100 and invest it in Vechain. With what they have to offer, guys, I think they could easily go by over 30 cents at the end of the year. And guys, I do plan to make a full review on Vechain. There I will explain all they have to offer and everything about Vechain, guys. So this is my second pick, Vechain. So $100 divided by 0.009. So right now I would get 11,111 Vechain Vechain. So right now, guys, my conservative estimate for Vechain at the end of the year would be 30 cents. So with my 11,111 coin, so if it goes 30 cents by the end of the year, so my $100 investment would turn into $3,333. So I just invested $300. Now I have $200 left to spend. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. I have 2 more coins to pick. All right, guys, my next pick would be NEM. I feel like NEM is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies out there. Currently, NEM is trading for 10 cents. On January 4th, NEM actually peaked at $1.90. So it was closer to $2 at the highest level in January. So I do believe NEM could go back to that dollar level again, guys. They have a lot to offer. Similar to Ethereum, you could build application on the network. And I believe NEM have some major partnership in Asia, and I think that there is a lot of potential there. I would invest $100 in NEM. So with that $100 right now at the current price of 10 cents, I would get 1,000 NEM. And for NEM, I'm gonna give you a conservative price prediction. Let's say it goes to 50 cents by January. So 1,000 coins times 50 cents. So my $100 would turn into $500. So guys, with the 50 cents price prediction, I would get a net increase of $400 after I remove my $100 initial investment. So now I only have $100 left to spend. So let's pick another coin. Remember guys, this is simply my opinion. Cryptocurrency investment is very risky. You only should invest money that you can afford to lose. Yes, you can make a lot of money, but if you're not careful, you could lose a lot of money as well, guys. Right now, we have some of the lowest price that I've seen in a long time, guys. It is actually not a bad time to buy. Of course, prices could even go lower, but if you plan to hodl for the long term, it is not a bad time to get into the market, guys. And I am torn between two cryptocurrency. I actually would like to put some money into Zilliqa, and then I also wanted to put some money into Bitcoin, which is another great option, but I only have $100 left. So at this point, I'm gonna put my last 100 into a Verge. Right now, Verge is currently trading at 1 cent. We know about Verge, a big partnership with Pornhub. Verge was trading for almost 30 cents in December 2017. Verge is actually one of the more popular privacy coins. They have a lot going on, guys, and a lot more to come. So right now, at the current price of 1 cent, with $100, I would actually be able to buy 10,000 Verge. My conservative price estimate for Verge right now would be at 40 cents. If it's trading at 40 cents, that $100, guys, would turn into $4,000. So this would be a great investment, guys. So guys, I'm not saying that this will happen exactly like that, but potentially this could very well happen. You don't need to FOMO. Just take your time and buy when the prices are low. And usually the market goes back up. Don't FOMO, guys. Take your time and research the market. Don't go into a cryptocurrency because everybody's going in and because the prices are going up. Just take your time to invest, guys. I'm going to actually make this investment into these 4 cryptocurrencies. I will be making follow-up videos to let you guys know how this is going. And if you want to follow along, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And if you have any comments and if you have any questions, guys, don't hesitate to ask. Please let me know in your comments what other cryptocurrencies that if you have $500 right now that you would want to invest in this market. For those of you guys who are new to cryptocurrency and are wondering where could you buy these cryptocurrencies, I usually buy my altcoins, cryptos on Binance. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance is easy, and they have thousands of cryptos that you could look into to invest, guys. And guys, if you would like to sign up, I do have a link for Binance on my description. All right, guys, that's it for today. So I will talk to you guys later. Goodbye.